Let's see if it'll do it. Will it do it?
Okay.
Yeah. Gotta align it just right. And then turn left. Uh-oh. Turn left. Oops.
No.
Now you went wrong. You went all the wrong directions. See if you can get it under the wheels again. Here it goes. There you go. And adjust. Oh, you got stuck under the other wheel, because as you go through, you need to adjust. It's proportional steering. Okay, so you have to, just like if you were driving a real car, you don't just keep going straight.
I don't know how to drive a real car. You expect me to know how to drive a real car and be like, oh yeah, I know.
You used to be able to ride that little bike very well. You just forgot.
It doesn't use these.
Yeah, that's the problem. The pistol whip control is a problem.
Nah. This thing is not mine. No.
Whoa, lost it.
No.
Wrong way, wrong way. Okay. How about you try that again, okay? Start over here. Give me a second to adjust the camera, and then once